Hello and welcome new and old subscribers. If you are a visitor, subscribe now. And if this is your first time, I'm thrilled that you're here. Let's get this Dollar Tree haul started. We are going to start with spring items. Look at these foam gliders. Absolutely wonderful for the springtime. Different colors. Then we have the pool noodle booster. They're back again. You can create whatever and more spring outside activity items. We have these whole home air fresheners. I guess you put them in your vent. They had 2 cents, the Fresca Bluebell and the Island Fruit. The Island Fruit to me smells the best. These 3 items are from the Bermuda collection. This is Blue Citrus 3-in-1 laundry pack. And there's the information if you want to pause and read it. Wonderful blue and white packaging. The next we have the rinse, the fabric rinse. Again, the blue citrus, 15 fluid ounces. You can pause and read for the back information for those who like detailed information about the items. And finally, we have the room mist. It is 8 fluid ounces. There might have been other Bermuda products, but that's the only 3 I've seen at mine. If you like the Bermuda, let me know. Oh wow, a steam microwave cleaner. Powerful steamer freshness, cleans in 2 minutes. And let's see. On the back, you put 1 satchel into the tray, microwave for 2 minutes on high, wipe away residue with a sponge, wipe once more with a clean cloth or sponge. Awesome. Easy to use. I'm going to try it. Do you plan on buying one or trying to find it? Let me know. There's another microwave cleaner, but this one's a little different. It's not a tablet. It's this little person or item. I don't even know what sure it is. And it steam cleans the crud from your microwave for easy cleaning. You use water and vinegar. And then it shows you on the back how to do it. And this is an easy way. Instead of buying tablets, you can just reuse. This is more of a recyclable one. So it's another option that you can find and use. Now here's another item for your kitchen. This is a sink saddle. And you can put your sponges and your different type of sponges, and it comes in multiple colors. Orange, just lime green, blue, red. Awesome colors to choose from. Another cleaner. I think last week I showed you the lavender one, and this one is lemongrass and sage. It's a multi-surface cleaner. Removes grease, dirt, grime with a bold scent, and it's plant-based. We have a name brand, Nouvelle. It a gentle skin cleaner, cleans and softens for all skin type, 16 fluid ounces. It almost looks like a dupe for Cetaphil and CeraVe, but I guess it's its own because it is, a registered trademark with an R. Is it registered? So I guess it is a name brand. We have another Nouvelle item. We have Morning Fresh. It is a facial cleanser, oil-free with ginseng and vitamin C, 8 fluid ounces. And if you purchase this from another store, but like I said, this other store, when you order online, sometimes the prices fluctuates. At this other store, it's $8.99, but in reality, could be a little bit cheaper. But it's still a deal and a steal at Dollar Tree. Next up, we have the American Red Cross Foot powder spray soothes, cools, and comfort with cornstarch. Super soothing, helps control wetness and odor all day, and it's 3.25 ounces. And American Red Cross is a name brand. Then we have the American Red Cross Instant Heat Pack. So these are great to have in your first aid kits. They've been around, so they work. The item from Bolero is a brightening, cleansing body bar, and it's mandarin citrus with vitamin C and ginseng. And the size of the bar is 4.5 ounces. Premium Bath Puffs, sorry. Extra foaming, gentle exfoliation, and it comes in a 2-pack in the yellow and black. These remind me of the Joe Boxers ones, but if you like yellow or black or both, they have those colors. We have these wonderful items by Global Beauty Care. The first one, Magnolia and Honey Body Wash, and then it has the exfoliating body scrub, then it has bath salts, and the green one is jasmine and green tea with the same 3 items. Can you believe it? But this pink one, it's a little different. It has the body wash and bubble bath 2-in-1. Then we have body palm and shower. And then we have the body scrub. But the last other pink set one is rose and vanilla in the same body scrub and bath salts. So 3 different sets to choose from. Mother's Day is in May. So here's an idea. Make a wonderful basket for Mother's Day. We have LA Colors Perfect Look, and it has like 3 different sets for your, I guess, face, your eyes, and your lips. And they have the matching sets to go along with each one. 2 items from Pro Silk Body. It's moisturizing body wash, and it's called Positano Sunset. I think that's how you pronounce it, with natural extracts and essential oils. And it's a 32 fluid ounces. And the green one is Cypress Grove. Wow. So these are big bottles. Let me know if you try it. Wow. Black Rifle Coffee Company Espresso 300 milligrams. Triple shot coffee. Natural caffeine plus focus. And the flavor is caramel vanilla. Calories 140 calories. 15 fluid ounces, and then it says 300 natural caffeine milligrams of freedom fuel, mission focus plus MCT oil, amino acids with your daily vitamin of vitamin C 100%, and it's veteran founded Americans coffee. Yes, now it's time for our dollar plus section. I will be showing you maybe 1, 2, or 3 or 4 dollar plus items. Enjoy! Wow, great for Easter basket. Slime filled eggs, and there is 6 pieces. And look at these gorgeous colors, multiple colors, swirl. Tell me if your child would like a pack of slime filled eggs. This is a multiplayer basketball game, and it's great for indoor outdoor play. Just if you want to get your kids outdoors but they don't like doing all the physical activity, at least they're outdoor with some fresh air and for them to enjoy. Last but not least, we have this torch fuel, and it's citronella scented, and it's $5. Well, everyone, this is all I have for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell and make sure like, and comment. I would like to see your comments. Thank you. Like I always say, be blessed until the next time and be better than yesterday.